Do you know about Coinbase? It's basically for selling and buying cryptocurrencies, right? Did you know that you can actually make money on Coinbase? Except for your earnings on cryptocurrency, Coinbase is offering other tricks to make money. You want to know about this? Check out this video because we will teach you how to make money in Coinbase in 2022. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security all in all. Let's talk about money. There are numerous names for cryptocurrencies. Most likely, you have read about the most well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Alternatives to traditional currencies for internet payments are becoming more and more common. Although cryptocurrency has been around for a while, the general public has only begun to notice this type of money. Despite the fact that only a few specific regions of the world currently recognize cryptocurrency as a legitimate means of payment, there are still plenty of crypto investors all over the world, including in countries where it is not yet recognized by the law as a form of money. Cryptocurrency is regarded there as a long-term investment opportunity for long-term wealth generation. One of the most trustworthy places to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies is Coinbase. The safe online platform, which was established in 2012, has produced a just and equitable crypto economy for online investors. It is one of the world's most prominent digital currency exchanges as a platform with more than 35 million subscribers. In the beginning, Coinbase supported only Bitcoin as a digital currency, but it has since added many more, including Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum, and others. After all of that information, I know you are waiting for our main topic, which is making money with Coinbase. So let's get to it now. Number 1. Coinbase Referral Program. One of the additional features of Coinbase is its referral program. Yes, it works exactly as the other referral program. Be sure to verify your account so you can be qualified to earn rewards. You can both receive a bonus through the referral program. You'll both get the bonus as soon as your friend registers for a Coinbase account using your special referral link and performs a trade in a supported cryptocurrency. The bonus amount may change over time and depending on the country. Number 2. Stake some of your cryptos. A proof-of-stake consensus technique is now widely used by cryptocurrencies, allowing their decentralized networks to guarantee that all transactions are secure and confirmed without the need for a bank or payment processor in the middle. Locking a portion of your holdings into a staking pool for a predetermined amount of time, you can receive rewards with such cryptocurrencies to enhance the network's security. You'll receive benefits in return. If you intended to keep the cryptocurrency for a long time, this is a great choice because you can use it to make money rather than just letting it sit around. We won't dig entirely into staking because it involves more background knowledge in the crypto world and requires research before you can fully comprehend it. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. Let's focus more on number 3, the Coinbase Earn. With the help of Coinbase Earn, newcomers to the platform may learn about Bitcoin while also earning it on the platform. The learning resources offered by Coinbase, which customers may access as they learn more and start earning cryptocurrency, go over all the principles of cryptocurrencies in great detail. Even beginners will find trading on Coinbase Earn effortless thanks to its user-friendly, adaptable, and simple design. Even for complete beginners, Coinbase Earn provides all the information and training required to conduct cryptocurrency trades. Videos about your preferred cryptocurrency are provided as educational content, which is then followed by brief comprehension tests. When a module is finished, the user is awarded the specific cryptocurrency they choose to learn, which helps them earn money on Coinbase. Easy, right? You are learning about cryptocurrency, plus you are earning because of it. They pay you for your own good. It's fantastic. Sounds too good to be true. Coinbase is already giving rewards since 2018. More than $100 million in cryptocurrencies, including OX, Basic Attention Token, Zcash, Stellar Lumens, EOS, DAI, Tezos, Orchid, Compound, Celo, Nucifer, and The Graph have been distributed to customers since Coinbase Earn launched in 2018. Of course, there's always a catch. You have to be eligible to receive these rewards first. Don't worry. It's easy though. Here's how. You must ensure the following before registering with Coinbase Earn. Number 1, you need a Coinbase account. 2, you have to be a resident of a country that accepts the Coinbase Earn program. 3, you must carry out a complete identification verification or customer and ID verification and have reached the top account level. Number 4, you must accomplish the platform's internal fraud and compliance standards. And number 5, there can be only one Coinbase account per person. I told you, it's easy. You can begin performing the Coinbase Learn and Earn assignments to earn money on Coinbase once your account has been verified and you have completed all the requirements. There are more easy ways to earn in Coinbase as a beginner too. Number 4, new user incentive. You will receive $5 in BTC in your Coinbase portfolio once you have all the necessary steps for opening an account and buying Bitcoin. All you need to do is sign up and buy your first crypto. And then on the second time you buy, you'll receive an additional $5. Number 5, crypto reward. If you use your Coinbase card often for purchases, you'll get 4% of that money back in your chosen cryptocurrency. The Coinbase card is a Visa debit card that enables users to purchase daily things with cryptocurrencies seamlessly. Now that you know that you can do more than just buy and sell crypto in Coinbase, would you choose this platform for investing your crypto? What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? What do you think about Coinbase? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.